Hi guys, my name is Sophia, and before we start the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be a part of Just Sophie. Today's video is going to be about food-scented slime. Oh, this is grape jelly slime. It smells like real jelly, and it smells good, and I really want to taste it, but I can't, it's slime. The next slime is hot fudge slime. Smells like real hot fudge. I really wish I could eat that. Looks like real chocolate too. Next slime is marshmallow slime. That smells like real marshmallows, and that looks like real marshmallow. I want to eat it. So puffy like a marshmallow too. Next slime is mustard slime. Smells like mustard. I like the smell of it. And it looks like yellowish, orangish. It looks kind of good, but I don't really like mustard sometimes on my sandwiches. The next slime is ketchup slime. Smells like real ketchup. I want to put it on spaghetti. Smells so good. It looks kind of like the color of pepperoni on pizza.